Now that you've made your deck of flashcards, this is how to use them. Shuffle the deck and place them question up in front of you. Look at the first question and answer it out loud. Then turn the card over and see if you were correct. If you were completely correct, then place it out of the way in a new pile. If you get any part of the answer wrong, place it into a second pile. Now keep working through the cards this way. When you reach the end of the flashcard pile, you should have two new piles. One of successfully answered questions, which you can put aside to return to in a few days' time, and a pile of incorrectly answered questions. These are the ones you're going to go through again on your next session. If you answer them correctly, return to them in a few days. On occasion, when you return to your successful pile, try keeping them answer side up and remembering the question. Knowing the relationship of the answer to the question is important too. Keep making the gap you wait before returning to the successful pile longer and longer, until you only review them every few weeks. This spaced repetition helps embed the information into long-term memory. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel below for the latest study tips and videos each week.